Hi, baby. Hi, everyone. It's good to be back. Some of you may not have noticed, but I have been away from YouTube since November of 2022. I haven't done a full-length video since then. I am about to package this up and display it for a photo before listing it, so I thought I would show you all the different pieces and bits and bobs that I have gathered up for this journal project, and then I'll do a flip through of the journal. So I have one of these cigar boxes that I like to decorate, and I'm going to fill it with a few things. So I just decorated the lid here, and then on the top I've got a puppy postage stamp. It's a little bit banged up, but it looks good that way. I also have a tin that I am going to put stuff in. So I printed these from the Graphics Fairy premium membership, and they are specifically made for Altoid tins. They're the right dimensions, so these will go in there as well. Then I've got all of these little trinkets that I'm including. So these are all going in there. I love old watch parts, and I've been collecting them for years. Should be able to share them with my junk journal friends, so I'm including some in here. Some wax seals also. And this was an experiment. I did some image transfer on there and then alcohol ink, and I liked the way it turned out. And I was digging through my tins the other day. Oh, I forgot this guy too. I was digging through the tins the other day and found that one, and I thought it would go really well with this project. And then I have a bunch of ephemera, and I like folding it in ways that looks interesting so that you get a glimpse of all the different components from it. So on some of these I've added some label stickers as well. So this one's folded this way, and then in this one we've got an old postcard, and some ephemera. So this will go inside like that, and then this just has a blue library card on the inside. Some old money, a little sticker. Put that in here like that. Then here I've got a bingo token on a playing card, so I'll put this like that. And then a gentleman in front of his hydrangea shrub. I just embellished with these trading stamps. So we can just put this clip like that. Okay, so we've got this little pile. Here I have another envelope that I put a sticker on, a couple of postcards. When they're blank like that, you can actually use them for journaling, which is nice. All kinds of secret journaling spots in this journal. I like these gentlemen. They were hard at work, and this is actual This is old tape. I didn't antique this one. Okay. Here I just have a CD sleeve with some extra ephemera. These are from the Graphics Fairy. And then another printable from the Graphics Fairy membership, and I just embellished it with some postage stamps and a sticker, and just a few cards in there as well. And then I have a button card and one of these plastic tags, and I stuck a little guy in there. And some dangles here and a sticker. This is a cap from a whiskey bottle. So that's all going to go in the box. This stack is also just a bunch of ephemera, like envelopes and cards. Really cute black and white photo here. This envelope is empty. Just added some tape throughout on these envelopes and tags. And I've got just a journaling card in this envelope. Then we've got some money and a gentleman sitting on the edge of this folded time card. And then another printable. Bingo card. I like the stamp on this one. This is another printable from Graphics Fairy, and I believe I have a couple of postcards in there. Yeah. This one's just a blank. Another old envelope. Just a sticker, a couple of these little cigar labels. Pretty bird. More ephemera. This has watch spring in there. It's actual watch part. Tickets, barbershop, some more ephemera. You can do a lot of journaling on there. This is a description from one of the cigar boxes. It's the card that came with the box. I think I was gifted these a few years back. Another envelope and some more ephemera. This is for rolling coins, and this is from a college application, and it's just thought it would be nice to do some, you can do some writing on there. So that's the ephemera stack. Okay, I'm going to show you the journal now. I have had this book forever, and I've been wanting to do something with it. And the title just lends itself well to having a more masculine feel, obviously. So I used one of these on the cover so that I could showcase this beautiful postage stamp that has the horse-drawn fire engine. It is full of just very grungy papers, not a lot of coffee dyeing this time. So this is a dust jacket from another book, and I used it for the inside, front, and back. So here's the back piece, and it just shows the author of the book having dinner with his beautiful cat. Okay, so I did a lot of distressing and inking in here, some collage of old receipts and invoices with the old tape that you do with the alcohol ink. I've added postage stamps throughout. I used stencils just to add a bit of pattern and interest on the papers. The book is about 6 by 9. The spine is chunky. It's a 2-inch spine, so I have 4 signatures in here. Got some pockets that I added to the book, and then the rest of the ephemera can be added later on. So I've got some extra journaling space here. Bookmark. It's just a thin ribbon. I like to include the dedication from the original book when I use the cover. So that's what that is. Some photos from the book. Another journaling card. More ephemera. This is the end paper from another book. The other side of this large envelope. It is very old. I had to add some tape to hold the ends together. This is an old application letter from Princeton. Typewritten. A poem about horses. It's a little bit sad, but I like the idea of the theme. Some illustrations from the book. You can hear baby playing in the background. He's got a ball with a bell inside. a coin envelope here. This opens up. I also decided to save this postcard and this photo for adding to the top when I add a closure. They just look so nice. And then I made a couple of closures, and I may use this wax seal on the twine for the ephemera stack. And then I made this one, and I think this one will go on the book itself. And this came on the whiskey bottle. I think it was the same one as the horse cork. And I just added a piece of lace to it, and then put the twine through the two ends that have the holes in. So I think that would look good wrapped around the book like that. That's my plan anyway. Well, that is it from me today. I'm now going to take all of this over to the table to take the thumbnail photo and to create a listing for this journal. And I hopefully will be back with you guys very soon. Take care. Thanks for watching. Pretty bird.